Welcome back. Coming to the week 2 assignment 2 of social network analysis NPTEL. So coming to the questions, consider the network G1 for the questions 1. Means they had given some graph network, and the next 7 questions will be based on this graph only. Measure the degree of the nodes 1, 3, 4, 2. So degree means you know that number of in and out edges, how many edges are connecting to that particular node. And what is the diameter of the network? That is 4, highest number of degree. And what is the density of the network? It is 0.8. And what is the local clustering coefficients of node 5? 0.33. And measure the degree centrally of the nodes 1, 3, 5, 7. 0.3, 0.9, 0.51. What is the closeness centrality for the node 6 and 3? For the node 6 is 0.42, for the 3 is 0.85. Which pair of nodes out of 2, 3, 6 are closer to each other according to the Jaccard similarity? 3, 6. In a linearly chain connected graph with the nodes, the mean degree is 1.8. How many nodes are there in the graph? 20. In a circular cyclic network with nodes and the mean degree is 2. You are a spy inside a terrorist organization with an extensive knowledge of social network analysis. Which centrality measure you will use to find the person who can spread a message as far as possible? Closeness centrality. Now you can submit your answers, and the last date to submit the assignment is August 7, 2024. Thank you so much.